Good afternoon, my dear students. I am teaching class 10th, chapter number 2 of chemistry, acid, bases and salts. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the indicators, the different types of indicator, natural, synthetic, universal and olfactory indicators, and we have seen the changes whether they were in the acidic medium or in the alkaline medium. So in today's lecture, we will be studying about strength of acid or a base. Strength of acid or a base. So, what do you mean by the term strength? The strength of an acid, whether the acid is strong or weak, or whether the base is strong or weak, depends upon how much hydrogen ion it produces. Okay, that means the amount of or the number of H plus ion or hydronium ion, amount or number of H plus or hydronium ion produced by an acid will be telling us the strength of acid. If it produces more H plus ion, then the acid will be a strong acid. If it will produce less number of H plus ion, then the acid will be a weak acid. Same way, if you go for base, the amount or the number of hydroxyl ions produced by the base. If it is more, then the base will be a strong base, and if it is less, then the base will be a weak base. So now we will be studying about the pH scale. So this small p means potence. In German language, potent means power of H plus ion concentration. Okay students, so now we should know from which end to which end, or the range of the pH scale. So what is the range of the pH scale, or the value of pH lies between 0 to 14. 0 is highly acidic, okay, and 14 pH scale is highly alkaline or highly basic. So if we draw it in a schematic manner, so what will be? It will be like this. From 0 to 14, and in between this will be pH 7, that is the neutral pH. So the neutral pH, we will be having blood as neutral, and distilled water, the pH will be what? pH will be 7. So if suppose I talk about the gastric juices, so gastric juice will be having a pH around 1.2. That means as we are moving towards this side, this will be pH 6, this will be pH 5, this will be pH 4, 3, 2, 1. So the more we will be moving this side, the acidity will increase. That means if it is 1.2, so acidity will be more as compared to pH 4. And if we move this side, what will happen? The basicity will increase from this side. If I compare the two bases, like which will be more basic, so this pH 9 will be more basic. And if I compare 5 and 3, suppose, so which will be more acidic? The one moving this side, that means the 3. That means it is the power of hydrogen. The power of hydrogen ion concentration defines the pH scale. So if I talk about like pH 10, so milk of magnesia has got pH 10, and if we talk about 14 pH, so we can take example, sodium hydroxide is having 14 pH, that means it is highly alkaline. Or if we talk about the lemon juice have got 2.2. Lemon juice have got pH 2.2. So if I compare gastric juice and lemon, so which will be more acidic? The gastric juices present in our stomach will be more acidic. So this was all about the pH scale, and in the next topic we will be learning about pH in everyday life. So student, please go through this topic and study this thoroughly. Stay at home. Thank you.